Couple of business developments in the past couple of 1 week or so actually intrigued me. One, Uber has announced its largest data center investment into India in partnership with Adani, and one more company called AirTrunk is has committed $30 billion worth of investments in building data center. Great. In a digital economy like India, data center is the backbone, and such investments should be welcomed. More specifically, this is a foreign direct investment, and we are all seeing the capital outflows that are happening in the current context, and this FDI should surely be welcomed. But if you look at the digital economy, data center is just one part of it. What stands above the data center in terms of value creation map, if you look at it, there is a cloud, there is the application layer, there is an intelligence layer, what we call as AI and LLMs, and on top of it you have the customer facing apps. And combining all this, there is also a recurring margin which the end enterprise generates using the data center as a computing power. Today we need to ask, are these investments part of a value creation strategy that we are all thinking as Indians for the entire workflow or the entire value creation, right? Because if we are just building data center and the value creation or accretion happens elsewhere, we just are at a risk of uh, you know giving the computational power for the world without actually realizing the value creation that happens upstream. Added to that, data center means you are building a network of GPUs, CPUs. There's a networking equipment. These data centers are power hungry, and in a country which is struggling to meet the needs of its people in terms of energy, we are talking about data center investments. I'm glad that some of the companies like Adani, Reliance, and Tatas are thinking about powering these data centers through renewable sources. But my worry is, without the value creation that you see upstream, investment into a data center just as a computational power for the entire world is not making sense. I hope we all, as citizens, the government authorities, the corporates, the industry captains, think about the value creation upstream. We should, in parallel to data center investments, look at how can we build sovereign clouds, how can we have the indigenously built data center. Are the networking equipments, the GPUs, LLMs are all being developed in-house? Otherwise, we are at a risk of just not realizing the entire value chain. That's my worry in all these things. Thank you.